Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how to disable direct messages on Instagram. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Instagram application, then get logged into your account. Here at the home page of your Instagram, you need to tap on the profile icon on bottom right corner. Inside your profile, you need to tap on three horizontal line on top right side of your screen. There you need to tap on settings. Inside settings option, you need to tap on privacy. Inside privacy section, you need to scroll little down. There you can see the option of messages. Inside interaction section, you need to tap on it. Here inside the message controls, you need to tap on your followers on Instagram. There you can see recently my request is in message request. That means if someone in the Instagram send me a message, then I can have the option of either accepting or declining the messages. Here to disable direct message on Instagram, you need to just tap on don't receive request. And with that, you will be no more get any of the message request or messages on Instagram from any other Instagrammer. Update settings. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to disable direct messages on Instagram. Thank you.